Now, there are only a handful of image formats that allow you to export an image with layers and then reopen the same image while maintaining those layers. These image formats are PSD, PNG, and the very familiar PDF. What are the benefits of having images with layers? Well, it allows for easier editing. Let's return to the exercise files and find under EP 2.5 folder a file called webdesign.psd. The first format we'll discuss is the PSD, and a PSD stands for Photoshop Document and is the default image format for Photoshop. Locate the Layers panel, and by the way, I encourage you to always keep the Layers panel available on screen. Once the image is open, you'll see on the Layers panel a composite of different layers holding different elements that make up this image. This allows the artist to be able to edit. If I select a layer, I can only manipulate that element inside that layer. All other layers are not affected. Now, PSDs are proprietary to Photoshop, and while there are other software out there that allow you to work on Photoshop documents, this image format is meant for Photoshop. Now let's discuss an image format that pretty much overtook the GIF and JPEG. It's called PNG or PNG. PNGs are a versatile image format because of its ability to hold millions of colors, yet still allow for transparency. A transparent image is an image without a background. If you look at the Layers panel, the main image is usually on top of an empty layer. The icon on the Layers palette is checkered, which indicates an empty layer. This image has no background. I can use the same image in different backgrounds. Because of its versatility and ability to create transparent images, for many people, that's all they use. PNG images can be used for print, web, and video, and best of all, it can be saved in layers for easy editing later.